This video will introduce and demonstrate the basic setup of the Rode Filmmaker Kit for use with cameras and audio recorders. The Rode Filmmaker Kit includes a wireless transmitter, a wireless receiver, a lapel microphone, and an XLR adapter. Both the transmitter and receiver should be supplied with 4 AA batteries. The Rode Filmmaker Kit is compatible with cameras and audio recorders that have an XLR audio input. To access the battery compartments on both the transmitter, labelled TX, and the receiver, labelled RX, push in the button on the back of the device while sliding the back cover downwards. You can also access a toggle switch for padding controls and a red pairing button. To connect the lapel microphone to the transmitter, place a 3.5mm jack into the gold-coloured port on the top of the transmitter. Twist the screw mechanism to lock into place and prevent accidental disconnection. To attach the receiver to the cold shoe on your camera, slide the cold shoe connection onto your camera's adapter and then twist the screw mechanism to lock the receiver in place. Next, insert the 3.5mm jack of the XLR adapter into the port on the receiver. Twist the screw mechanism to ensure a secure connection. Then, observing the placement of the 3 pins on the XLR cable, insert the cable into the XLR port on your camera or recorder. Hold the power buttons on both the receiver and transmitter for 3 seconds to power them up. Each Rode Filmmaker Kit should already be paired, so a signal animation will appear on the receiver's LCD and the channel number on the transmitter will flash while the devices establish a connection. A mute button is also present on the receiver. Pressing the mute button changes the power switch LED to red. Unmuting will change it back to green. Manual control for the audio inputs of your camera or audio recorder can be found on their control surfaces. These should be set correctly before proceeding. The LCD screen of the receiver displays your levels alongside the battery status of both devices. This concludes the content of this training video. For further help, you can book a one-to-one session by sending an email to mmctraining@winchester.ac.uk.